Hi, my name is Matt. I'm a nurse practitioner and clinical educator here at Econos. I'm going to show you how to use the Auto VTI or Velocity Time Integral feature with the Kosmos Torso 1 probe. VTI is a quantitative measurement commonly used in assessing cardiac function. Select the heart icon to begin scanning. Start in 2D mode, then activate PW or CW Doppler by tapping the corresponding icon. I'm going to be using the PW Doppler in the aortic valve. From the apical four-chamber view, I'm going to angle anteriorly to demonstrate the aortic valve. Position the sample gate by tapping and dragging the gate to the LVOT. Tap Update to begin your Doppler tracing. Once you've obtained your Doppler signal, freeze the image by selecting the blue freeze icon and scroll to find a clear waveform. From the left drop-down menu, select your valve of interest, then choose VTI. Make sure Auto VTI is activated, indicated in orange. Tap on your selected waveform to trigger the automatic VTI measurement. You can adjust the measurement by tapping the tracing and adjusting as you see fit. Tap the camera icon in the bottom left to save and store your measurement. When finished, tap the 2D button to return to your exam. As you can see, Auto VTI is very easy to use and can help to improve the efficiency and accuracy of your VTI measurements with fewer screen interactions. Find additional information in the Kosmos user guide at econos.com or reach out to your local Kosmos representative. We are here to help.